Welcome back to my channel. In this video, they asked to evaluate the upper limit of 2 and the lower limit of 0. Okay, follow us in this video step by step to see how we can solve the upper and lower limits. Let's find the derivatives of the function. Now we can see solution. Since we have the upper limit of 2, lower limit of 0, of 3x cubed plus 4 dx, then we can say dy dx is equals to 3x x power 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 plus 4x with the upper limit of 2, the lower limit of 0. Now we can say this is equals to, this is 3x x power 4 all over 4 plus 4x with the upper limit of 2 and 0. That is to say, let's use the limit as x is equals to 2. We have 3 into 2 x power 4 all over 4 plus 4 into 2 minus 3, the lower limit of 0. We have 3 into 0 x power 4 all over 4 plus 3 into 0. Now we have 3 raised power 4. If you press 3 raised power 4, you get 3 raised power 4 as 48 all over 4. You have 48 all over 4 plus 2 times 4 times 2, here we have 8 minus 0. Completely this side will be 0. Then we can say 48 divided by 4, this is equals to 12 plus 8 minus 0. This is equals to dy dx is equals to 16. Now the value of the final answer is 16. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more video.